I usually look for four things when I'm walking a piece of land. The first is the way it lays. Does it rise and fall naturally? Does it have character? Places that feel meant to be built on and not forced. The second is timber, not just trees, but age, health, and stewardship. Hardwoods that tell a story. Shade that took decades to grow. Third, how the land lives. Is it even usable? Can you walk it, work it, hunt it, build on it, and can I pass it down? And good land never fights you. It works with you. And finally, water. Because land without water is just acreage. Creeks, springs, signs that the land is alive. This is 200 acres in Hohenwald, Tennessee. It's quiet, private, and honest ground. The kind of place that doesn't need hype, just someone who understands what they're looking at.